Again, all dimensions are given, but CATIA doesn't need them all. There's a square in this drawing, but CATIA has no square tool. We'll create it with a trick. Let's start by drawing a rectangle. As you can see, when I drag one corner, the length and width change independently, so it's not a square yet. We can turn this rectangle into a perfect square by using the equivalent dimensions feature. This way, the length and width will be linked and equal, and we'll have a perfect square. Or, we can apply geometric constraints to the diagonal and make it symmetric to both sides of the corner. And again, we have a square that will stay perfectly square even if you drag a corner or change one side. Alright, now let's continue drawing the sketch and finish this exercise. This dimension is extra, so we'll turn it into a reference to prevent over-constraining.